Hi everyone. So this is the KEVIN.MURPHY Young Again Dry Conditioner. This is literally one of its kind. When this arrived at the salon, we were so excited. We've never used anything like this before. You always use dry shampoos, but a dry conditioner, we were just like not knowing what to expect. So this is for those people that don't want to wash their hair every day, but they wake up the next day maybe and their hair feels a little bit dry, their ends feel a little bit bitty, but they don't really like an oil, they don't like that sort of glossy, or they don't like to feel anything in the hair. This is revolutionary. So it's in a can as if it's your dry conditioner. You just literally pick your hair up, give your can a little shake, always holding about sort of 30 centimeters away from your hair. And just give a little mist through those mid-length to ends, and that just replaces all that moisture, and it actually makes your hair feel like it's just been freshly washed and conditioned. You can see that nice gloss and sheen. Total game changer. Once you use this, you'll just be in awe. Hope you'll love it as much as our clients do at the salon. I'm pretty sure you will.